Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to exit Netflix. How to exit Netflix from kids or for kids. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my App Store, Google Play, and search for Netflix right here, and make sure that you updated or downloaded the app so you can get the better version or to get the latest version of it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. What I'm going to do, if you want to turn off the Netflix for kids, go to your web browser, select viewing restrictions, enter your Netflix account password, set the maturity rating level that you would like, then choose save. So you can you change it from the settings on your web browser. You can use your own Netflix account from your web browser, so you can actually set the maturity level to whatever level that you actually like, and then you can save the settings from there. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to sorry, don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.